guys hear all that? Dude, it was louder. That was a Sasquatch, I think. The light wasn't on. It's actually getting kind of dark out. Yeah, I brought a flashlight.